Hi, I'm Graham from Minnetonka Audio, a part of the Telos Alliance TV Solutions Group, and I'm here to show you the latest version of our AudioTools connector for Telestream Vantage. The AudioTools connector acts as the bridge between AudioTools Server and Vantage, allowing you to launch jobs for processing in AudioTools Server directly from within Vantage. The connector comes with a built-in loudness plugin, however the real strength has always been the ability to import and run custom AudioTools profiles. With the second generation of the connector software, this ability has been taken to a whole new level. Individual parameters from inside the AudioTools workflow can now be exposed for editing from directly within the Vantage AudioTools plugin, whether it be changing a loudness target, adjusting Dolby E metadata parameters, or maybe configuring the downmix settings. All can now be quickly and easily adjusted through Vantage. In fact, almost any AudioTools parameter can be controlled in this way, allowing us to create custom plugins tailored specifically to your own unique needs. In addition, the second generation of the AudioTools connector allows you to bind any exposed AudioTools parameters to incoming Vantage variables, meaning AudioTools workflow settings can now be dynamically controlled by the wider Vantage workflow. Examples could include setting the dial norm value of a Dolby E encode from an upstream loudness measurement, or controlling the source frame rate of an audio time stretch process from the original video file's properties. Similarly, AudioTools server output parameters can be configured to generate their own Vantage variables, allowing you to use the results of the AudioTools step to drive further processing in your Vantage workflows. In this way, AudioTools server can truly become a fully living and breathing component inside your Vantage system. The new Vantage AudioTools connector is now shipping with Vantage 7.1, however, customers are advised to contact AudioTools server support to obtain the latest release. Thank you for taking the time to check out this video. For more tutorials, including how to run workflow editor workflows inside Vantage, please check out our website. Alternatively, email us at atsupport@minnetonkaaudio.com.